This video is brought to you by FlexiSpot. This is the only smash burger that you need to try. Hey salam, I hope you guys are well. Halal Chef is back for another video, and this time I'm making smash burger. It's gonna be a triple smash burger, perfectly seared and nice and juicy. I'm gonna serve this smash burger with beef bacon fries. Trust me, you're really gonna enjoy it. Without further ado, let's get started. Halal Chef presents. We're gonna take smash burgers to the next level. And with the mince, 50% beef, 40% lamb and 15% fat. Fat is gonna add a lot of flavor. It's gonna keep our burgers nice and juicy. Now in with the minced onions. Make sure to squeeze out all the water before adding it in. Now normally you would caramelize the onions on the side, but this way you can also get a maximum flavor. Here with some of this freshly minced garlic. Here I'm using one fresh green chili. You can get rid of the seeds if you don't like more heat. Here with the red chili, cumin, paprika. Good touch of the freshly ground pink and black pepper. Now finish this off with a good touch of the sea salt. We are just getting started. Perfect. Make sure to wash your hands and give this a really good mix. You want to mix until the mixture comes together and becomes nice and sticky. Add in some of this fresh thyme and just mix this slightly. Now we can see the mixture is nice and sticky. Now let this rest in the fridge for an hour. Or once the mixture is rested, you want to start making quarter pounder meatballs. Quarter pounder is roughly around 113 grams. So a kilo of mince should give you around 10 smash burgers. The shapes don't have to be perfect, and once done, let them come to room temperature. For the sauce in with the mayonnaise, homemade barbecue sauce. Hot sauce. For some more flavor, I'm using pickle juice. With the roughly sliced gherkins, some of these jalapenos, zest of some fresh lemon, finally some lemon juice, season with a touch of salt and some freshly ground black pepper. Now give this a really good mix and bring everything together. Our beef burger sauce done. I will let it taste perfect. Alright, now to cook our smash burgers, turn up the heat to around medium high with a light touch of oil. When the pan is nice and hot, add in your meatballs and just smash that. I'm gonna cook the third one in the other pan. Bismillah. You want to let this cook for around 2 minutes. Alright, so it's been around 2 minutes. We're just gonna flip this. You might have to scrape this off. Look at that beautiful sear, amazing. Now add in your cheese. And now cover and let this cook for around 30 seconds. Let's check this. Bismillah. Alright, the cheese is beautifully melted, just turn off the heat now. Alright, let's assemble our patties. Looks beautiful. For our fries, I'm using a turkey or beef bacon. Cut them into nice and thick slices, but not too thick. Here with a touch of the oil, here with your bacon. We're gonna let this cook until the fat is completely rendered and it's nice and crispy. Alright, now just turn off the heat. Now add your crispy fries into our bowl. And with the rendered bacon fat, season this generously. Give that a mix. Add in the crispy bacon. Add your fries here. If you want, you could add some melted cheese on there. Some of this garlic mayonnaise. Hot sauce, some more bacon, spring onions if you like. Our amazing crispy bacon fries done. Trust me, they look amazing. Now sponsors really help me support the channel. I wanted to talk about the FlexiSpot Summer EG8 standing desk who have kindly sponsored this video. With the brand new EG8 desk, you can switch from sitting to standing in seconds. The desk features a robust motor that enables smooth, easy transitions with the press of a button and has a weight capacity of up to 50 kilograms. The desk also offers 4 customized height presets for multiple users. With integrated USB ports, you can connect and charge up to 3 devices without a hassle. You can use the same ports to power up desk lights, fan, etc. Great thing is there's a child lock button to lock the up-down feature for safety reasons. The embedded pull-out drawer provides seamless integrated storage space for your home office supplies. Overall, I love the modern design. It blends in perfectly with the rest of the structure while keeping your belongings out of sight. I absolutely love the standing feature as it reduces the risks of shoulder and back pain, lowers your stress levels and gives you more space to relax. Plus, this desk is so easy to assemble. It only took me 15 minutes. So if you want a premium quality desk with a standing feature which is actually good for your health, then do check out the Summer EG8. I will leave the link in the description below. Thank you FlexiSpot for sponsoring this video. Alright, let's get back to cooking. Alright, let's plate this up, grab some of the lettuce and tomatoes, grab our sauce, place your toasted pan. First of all, let's add our beef sauce. Amazing, just have a look at that. Add our lettuce, add our triple smash burger just on the top. That looks amazing. Some of this pickle if you like, also a slice of tomato if you like. Finally, your top of the bun. Alright guys, let's plate this up. Alright guys, I'm gonna try this. Smells amazing. Let's try those bacon fries first. Bismillah. Wow. So much flavor. The beef with bacon, along with the mayonnaise, the hot sauce, really good. Let's try the star of this dish, our triple smash burger. Alright, Bismillah. Wow. Perfect. So much flavor. You can taste those onions, the green chili. The flavor is so intense. It's so good. And you can really taste the sear, on those smash burgers. And the melted cheese is just icing on the cake. Inshallah, you guys gonna really enjoy this. That was really good. I really enjoyed it. Can we please get this video to 5,000 likes? I would really appreciate it. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure subscribe, make sure like. Inshallah, see you next time. Until then, salam. Make for your mom, make for your dad, make for your family. Enjoy. Perfect.